In this video, we will see how to use MATLAB online for free, that is without any activation key or license key. So first of all, you have to type here MATLAB online. Now you have to click on the second link, MATLAB online. This is the MathWorks website. Here you have to click on Start using MATLAB online. So we have to create MathWorks account. For this, click on this Create One. Enter your email address. Choose your location. Then write your first name and last name. Then click on this Continue button. Now check this checkbox. Use this email for my MathWorks account. And then click on Continue. Now MathWorks sent an email to your email address. So you have to check your email in your mailbox. As I have a Gmail account, so I will open my Gmail app. So you can see this is the email sent by the MathWorks. So you have to click on this Verify Your Email button. So the profile has been verified. So now we will go back to our MathWorks account. You have to click on this Continue. Then create a strong password. Your password must have from 8 to 50 characters, at least one upper and lowercase letter, and at least one number. Now check this checkbox and then continue. Now you can see it is demanding for license number or activation key, but we will use MATLAB online for free, that is without this license number or activation key. Let's see how. First of all, you have to reload this page. So click on this. And then you have to click on this link, Get MATLAB. Now you can see here Try MATLAB. So you have to click on this Download a Trial button. Now you have to select this which best describes you. If you are a student, then click on this Student. If you are a teacher, then click on this. Let's click on Student. Next is what describes your role. If you are doing PhD, then click on this postdoctoral option. If you are doing post-graduation, then click on this. If you are doing graduation, then click on this undergraduate. And if you are in a school, then click on this pre-college. As I am doing graduation, so I will click on this. Next, you have to select your state. Write the name of your university. Then write the name of your city and then zip code of the city. Then write the year in which you will complete your graduation. Then select the department. I will select computer science. Then check this checkbox and then submit. Then you have to click on this Start your MATLAB online trial. So this is the MATLAB. You can use it online. The trial is for 30 days. After 30 days, you will not be able to use this. But you can use it for free for 30 days. Now let's see how to use it. First of all, you have to create a folder here. So right click on this blank area and then new and then folder. Write the name of the folder. I will write experiment 2 sampling and then hit enter. After that you have to click on this folder, right click on it, then on new and then click on this script. That is, we have to create a new script here. Write name of the script here. I will write experiment 2 sampling. And then we will open this script in this area. So for that you have to double click on this script. Now you can write your code here. My code is already written in a file. So I will just go to that file and then copy the code from there. So I pasted the code here. So now we will run this code. For that you have to go to the editor tab. In that there is run button. You have to click on this. I will give the input as 44,100 and then hit enter. You can see the output here. So this is how we use MATLAB. Thank you.